Welcome once again, friend, in another trigonometric identity problem. Here we need to prove the LHS part with the RHS part. Our LHS part is 1 plus sec a divided by sec a equals to sin square a divided by 1 minus cos a. To solve this problem or this similar kinds of problem, I have seen many students used to mistake. They wants to prove the RHS part, right, by solving the LHS part. They just wants to solve the LHS part only, and anyhow they wants to get the RHS part. RHS means right hand side, right? But in some question in trigonometric identity problems, you may have to solve LHS part left hand side and the right hand side, and if you get the left hand side equivalence to the right hand side, then also it is proved, right? So the same thing we're going to do here. First we'll be solving the left hand side part, and then we'll be solving right hand side, and if we get the both part equal, then of course this is proved, right? So let me proceed. So first one, left hand side, that is equals to 1 plus sec a divided by sec a, and we have learned that sec a is the reciprocal of cos a, because I already told you that any time if you don't see anything, or if you don't have any idea of anything, then just convert it into the cos or sine. If there are tan cot, then also convert into the sine and cos. If there are sec cosec, then also they convert those into the sine and cos. They will make you easier to solve the problems. Okay, so the same thing I'm doing here again. Now 1 plus sec a, in the place of sec a I'm going to put the reciprocal value of sec a, that is 1 upon cos a. So 1 plus 1 upon cos a, and then whole divided by, again in the place of sec a I'm writing 1 upon cos a, and now it's equal to, see there is nothing, then there will be 1, then I have to take the LCM of 1 and then cos a, that will be equals to cos a, and then this 1 will divide this cos a, will get cos a, and that cos a will multiply this 1, so we'll get cos a plus 1, and then whole divided by 1 plus cos a. As I already told you in earlier videos that a upon b divided by c upon d is equivalent with a upon b times d upon c. So same thing I'm going to do here. This is a, this is b, this is c, and this is d. So it is now equals to a cos a plus 1 upon b, right? This part b, that is cos a, times this d will go upside, cos a times divided by 1. So this cos a and this cos a will cancel out, means we get our LHS part as 1 plus cos a. Either you write cos a plus 1 or 1 plus cos a, and that's the same thing. This is our LHS part. Now don't proceed further from here, just stop it here. If you can get this also, but there is a very long process to get this, so get stopped here and just solve the RHS part. Now let's solve the RHS part. What is this? Okay, so my RHS part here, right hand side, is sin square a whole divided by 1 minus cos a, 1 minus cos a. And what can I do here? There is no way to do, because this is already in sin and cos form. So one thing I can do, I can rationalize it, conjugate. I can conjugate it with 1 plus cos a, right? I'm just taking the negative sign, right? 1 plus cos a. By doing so, what actually I will get, this is a and this is b, suppose. So a minus b, and this is suppose a, and again this is b. So a minus b and a plus b, right? So a minus b, a plus b, a minus b times a plus b is the formula of a square minus b square. This formula I can put up there. So that is why I'm doing so. I'm multiplying with the negative value of this, right? I'm conjugating this. Now, so what I will get? I will get sin square a times 1 plus cos a, 1 plus cos A, and then whole divided by a minus b, a plus b, that is a square minus b square. Square of 1, it's the same, right? So I don't want to square it. And cos square A. Very nice. Now let's go ahead. I hope you're solving this problem with me. Now sin square A is equals to 1 plus cos A. Sin square A times 1 plus cos A, and now 1 minus cos square A. We know that sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equals to 1. Then what I can write that sin squared theta is equals to 1 minus cos squared theta. This will go this side. Here is plus, right? So this plus will go there in negative form, right? So cos squared theta. So here in the place of 1 minus cos squared theta, in the place of this 1 minus cos squared theta, I can easily write sin squared theta, that is sin squared A. And now I can cut this both, sin squared A and sin squared A, and I will get the value as 1 plus cos A. And now see, our left hand side and our right hand side both are equal, so LHS, left hand side, is equals to right hand side, hence is proved, right? This is proved now. So I can say that 1 plus sec A divided by sec A is equals to sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. So like this we have to solve this kinds of problem, and we'll be solving more problem that will clear your more concept and give you more techniques to solve trigonometric identities, right? So we'll be meeting in next video. Bye bye.